That's a good jam. That's a good jam.
USB rechargeable.
Oh.
We gotta get that for the, at least under the cabinet that we do our stuff at.
Nice.
Because there's a plug right there too.
Yeah. Put that on our
$20 too. It's rechargeable.
shop list. Not right now. Not right now.
Yeah, right now we're good. It's not like the other house.
Yeah.
These ones are little, but they're battery and they're not chargeable.
Oh, well, you can buy rechargeable batteries.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, we're just gonna go check out the freezers, the fridges, and we'll show you when we get over there. All right, here we go. Here's the start of the freezers. So we don't know if we should do a chest freezer or a upright freezer.
Well, that's a pretty good size right there.
Yeah.
I don't know how much it is, but if we could find one of them ones, then shoot, we'll go with that.
Ooh, look at this fancy one for $1,200. Holy moly, I thought that was expensive. Look at this.
Oh, this is not
$23.98. Dang, that's nice. Oh yeah, there's magic. Yeah. So this would be a good size for us though.
$2.19. I think that's what my dad had, but an actual refrigerator, and they work pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's nothing that's smaller than
Yeah, for a couple $100, not bad. Let's see. What is this? Is this a freezer or the fridge? Oh, this is the freezer. No, I wish they had a smaller fridge compartment and a bigger freezer combo versus the opposite way that they usually have, the bigger fridge and then the small freezer. I put more stuff in the freezer than I would in the fridge part. Let's see. I guess they still have the same stuff.
get that deal. Oh, look, there's these little ones. It's coming with.
Yeah, these are probably what was in those.
Smaller.
Oh yeah, that's what it was.
Magic. Oh, it is the same magic. That was over there. This one is Magic Chef. Same, but this one is white. I think those were black. That's nice. You can look at it. That's nice. So about our price range we were wanting too. Ooh, and a little light.
Oh, cool. Yeah, that's the $219 one. That fits quite a bit of food. 5 cubic feet. And then this is the very first one that we saw, this Sani. This one's a bit bigger.
That one's nice too. It has nicer one. I just switching, girl.
Oh yeah, it does have a light there too. That's cool. Yeah, those are 2 big contenders. Let's see if they have any affordable upright freezers. I think this one's a frost-free. Wow, this is huge. Oh, good Lord. This is for a family of like 12, you guys. That's a lot. I mean, you can fit a lot, but I don't need this much fridge space is the problem. Maybe I need to design my own fridge. Holy moly, that's huge. Ooh.
It's just a couple hundred more, or a couple, or a few more. This one is just a fridge, right?
It has a teeny little compartment.
Yeah, but this one is just a few more, same as that other freezer. Then I'll just use the other fridge for my meal preps. Cause see, look at this. That's enough.
That is not enough. It won't fit a pizza for me.
Girl, yes, it will.
It will
I
not.
guess not one of your big ones, but those are nasty anyways.
I don't even know how much this one is. Oh, $6.78. These are some big suckers. Whoa, look at fancy.
Oh, this is a freezer?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
Fancy, fancy.
Can't fit your pizzas in there either, girl. Look, there you go. There you go.
It's an ice maker.
Yeah, see, look, this one's like
Yeah.
Mama, you wanted to charge yours?
So you guys, an upright freezer would be awesome, especially frost-free or manual. No, these are manual defrost, and the other ones are automatic defrost, however you call that. But I think we're gonna end up going with the $219 Magic Chef 5 cube. That's quite a bit of space, you guys. That's a lot of space. Like my whole arm. Oh, I can't even touch the bottom. So I could start stocking up a lot of sale stuff. And if we can't really find sales, you guys, if I stock up little by little now, it's still gonna be cheaper in the long run, because shoot, the eggs that we saw at Walmart jumped up like $1 within a matter of like a week or two. So yeah, get your preps, get your food, get your stuff now, because sadly it doesn't seem like it's gonna go down in price anymore. Keep going up in price.
Keep going up with your life, suckers. Don't let no egg price get you down.
One says 127, it used to be 169. What's the difference? 3.5 cubic. What the heck? Is that a smaller one? Huh. What is this one? This was the 5. Oh, that one's a teeny one. You guys, this is an even tinier one, 3.5. My dyslexic self, Cora, corrected me. This one's $100 more. No, $219 for a 5.0 cubic feet. And this teeny one, 3.5 cubic, is $127.
That's... Well, what do you want? You want more space, or...?
That one might actually work better for us, for our spot.
That's what I'm saying.
The other one is a good size, but this one's $100 cheaper.
Yeah, good size, good space. That one I would like to see in it.
Yeah.
You know, because the box is damaged. On the other side, it's all...
Oh yeah?
So, yeah.
It's probably like the size of this little fridge here.
Yeah. It's good, that's enough.
That's enough for us anyway. We don't have a lot of space in that little house.
Yeah, see the box right there?
Oh.
So I don't know if it just scraped or fell or something, because it's all perfect.
Oh no, it's fine.
Yeah, I'm sure it is.
Huh.
That's nice.
Okay.
Are these small like that too?
No, that was the more expensive one. But this one right here, $100 cheaper. Let's ask about it. Got us a freezer, 3.5 cubic feet, chest freezer, adjustable temperature, recessed handle, easy slide storage basket. Let the prepping begin. All right, y'all, this thing is super dusty, but look at this. We got an awesome deal. It was on sale, $127, and it was $169. And let's get to opening. Now the next question is going to be, where are we going to place it? Once we unbox it, we'll see if we can scoot this fridge and table over and put it here, or vice versa. We'll see where it goes. Unfortunately, we couldn't find a good deal on a smaller, or we couldn't find a small one anyway, of the stand-up freezers. But yeah, this is what we went with, and this was affordable. Alrighty, here's some of this information. And okay, there's the cord. Like a little square, it's a square little one. Square little thing. The other ones were rectangles, but this one's a little bit smaller. And that's how much energy it's gonna draw. Let's see. Oh. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Oh, there's the handle. Look at this. How cute is that? That is quite a bit of storage. Oh, I guess I scraped the ice or the frost, the ice with that. Nice. Good deal. Does it work this way? Oh, oh snap. I'm getting this stuck. Oh my God. Ugh. All right, you guys, don't do it that way. Just do it this way. Holy moly. Already mistake number one. I'm going to show you some of these dimensions. So that's what the size is. Okay. It's 50 pounds, 22.5 kilos. All right. So if you guys are curious, here's the info. It's kind of hard to see, I know. This thing is messed up. That's what it is, you guys. About putting this bit over. Maybe that'll work. I don't know. This thing just kind of slides there. Well, that's kind of cool. Cora, look. What's up? We can do that. Unfortunately, this thing doesn't open this way, right? I'm gonna put that on top. They got the handles right here. It's nice. I can still scoot it over some. Or have this over there. Yeah. We'll see how long the cord is.
Yeah, see how long the cord is.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I'd rather it open like this. But yeah, like that. So that can breathe too, you know? Oh, because the cord is right there.
Yeah, the cord is back here. Oh no, the cord is
Yeah, it's on the side.
Okay. Oh, it does work better this way.
What are y'all doing? Good. Trash? Oh no, it's the zip. Your trash.
Oh. Kind of, sort of like that.
It's gonna make flashy.
I wonder if we can't even do it this way. Since the plug is on this side. Look at this. This car.
But
I can even do it this way. That might even work nice too. No.
what, like this?
Yeah, try it.
Oh shit. Yeah, I like that. That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
More convenient.
Bad dogs. Two bad dogs. Oh, your puppies. You guys couldn't see it from back there, but right here is where this just kind of stays right there, plugged. But the actual cord starts from there. And then this is, I guess, just if it's in storage, you can just put it here. Dang, if you could see. Just put it there and have it stored. That is cool, that is cool. So this is what we're gonna do. Looks kind of awkward to have it open this way, but it kind of works better, so that way it doesn't hit the wall or it doesn't hit the fridge. Whoa, gotta be careful. And then this one opens this way. Let's see. put some little bumper or something here. Yeah, that way it's not in the way. Either way, not in the way. Cool beans. All right, try to get all this plugged in. All right, now, okay, we'll leave it at 5, maybe even 4. Because 1's supposed to be like the warmest setting on the paperwork, and 7's the coldest. So I wonder if we can't just turn it to about number 4. So we had one quite a few years ago, and it was about on 5, and then I had turned it down on 4, or maybe 3, and it was still freezing cold in there. Power works. Okay, I guess I could take this off. It's only been a few minutes. It already feels a little colder. Oh yeah, this part right here feels cold. Okay. Yeah, I decided to just put it this way, and it rolls really nice too. All right, y'all. This is the final result. See, we do eat. We're snacking on a half sandwich, chicken nugget sandwich. And we're heating up the leftover spaghetti that we still have, a bunch of leftover spaghetti. I think we're finally gonna finish it. But, like, what do they call it? Mishmash? But there is our new little chest freezer.
It looks cute like that.
It is kind of cute, and it's precious, Cora, it's precious. And these dogs like it. So there's a regular size stove, which it looks like it's huge compared to the little bitty fridge and the chest freezer. But it's a regular size stove, so this is the comparison, you guys. You can see.